Hello friends, today I am going to make til laddu or eld urundai. It is very soft and yummy. It takes hardly any time to cook. It is rich in calcium and iron. Just follow the tips what I am going to share with you when I am making the laddus. Come, let's cook the til laddu. Take a pan, switch on the stove. I need 1 cup of white sesame seeds. We'll roast it on a low flame till it starts crackling. It takes about 5 minutes to become golden brown color. Don't overburn it, it will taste bitter. Yeah, I got desired color. Now I'll remove it into a dry, clean plate. Now again we need this pan for making jaggery syrup. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of plain water. This helps in preventing the jaggery to become caramelized. It will help in keeping the jaggery soft. I need now 1 cup of equal quantity I am taking. Sesame seed and jaggery will be in the same proportion, equal 1:1. This I have grated it, or also you can make it into tiny pieces so that melting becomes easier. I'll remove everything. Keep stirring it continuously, otherwise it will start burning. Press it and keep stirring continuously. Break all the lumps so that it becomes molten faster. Here you have to watch it carefully. When all the lumps are properly melted, the syrup gets boiling. When all the syrup becomes boiling, it is somewhat, this is the stage what I am talking about. Here we have to add this is the consistency what I am talking about. Here we will add the sesame seeds completely. Put all the seeds here. Stir it fast. We'll switch off the stove. Mix it thoroughly. This mixture has to be mixed properly. Good, and till should mix properly. Now you may be finding it very thin, runny. Don't worry. When we transfer it to a plate, it will harden and it will be ready for making the laddus. Now it's almost blended properly. Now we will transfer into a ghee coated plate. I'll coat some ghee on a plate, whichever plate I'm going to transfer. I'll take ghee. Spread it. Now I will transfer the mixture so that the ghee I have applied so that the mixture will not stick to the bottom of the plate. Now remove it completely into this plate. Let it cool down. That is, it not should be completely cooled down, because it has to be little warm, so then only we can make the laddus. Otherwise it will become difficult to gather all the mixture and make the laddu. Let it cool for a few minutes. In between you have to give a stir. I'll show. Like this we have to keep on stirring in between so that it will not settle down. Otherwise it will become like a chicky, a little warm. I'll take some time more to cool it down. Yeah, now it is warm enough. Yeah, now I can handle it. Now I'll take some ghee in my palms so that the mixture will not stick to my hands. Yeah, take into tiny balls. Yeah, whatever desired quantity you want, take that and roll it into nice round balls. Equal quantity of mixture you take and make the balls. Yeah, see, no cracks, nothing, and I'm able to roll it properly. I got around 13 laddus from this mixture. Yeah, it is ready to be served. I'll show you how soft it is. I'll open and show you. See? Yeah, so easily I can break it. See how soft it is. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please do share and subscribe to my channel.